Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the Epic Games Launcher setup wizard ended prematurely. So while you're in the setup and it states that Epic Games Launcher setup wizard ended prematurely, then let's go quick into the fixes on how we can solve the issue. So in the Windows search bar, type here Task Manager. Click on it under the best match. Now maximize the task manager window. Then here you'll find this run new task. Click on this plus sign symbol to create a new task and this small window will appear. Type here, so just follow me, msiexec.exe. It's the msiexec command. Check this box, create this task with administrative privileges. Click on browse. Then we need to choose the path as to where we have saved the file or the setup file for the Epic Games Launcher. So most of the time that will be in the downloads. So click on the downloads on the left pane. Then here you will have this, click on this drop down arrow and then choose all files. Then the Epic installer will be available. Click on that. Then click on open. Click on OK. And then close the task manager window. Then you have to click on repair. Click on repair again. And let's just wait for this. So this is now repairing the Epic Games Launcher. So we just have to wait for this. So now it's done and you can just simply open the Epic Games Launcher and continue the setup. So next method is we can also temporarily disable the antivirus. So if you are using any third-party antivirus softwares like the Mac, Alpha, Avast, or Malwarebytes, then click on this show hidden icons on the taskbar. So currently I'm using the Malwarebytes. So to temporarily disable this, just make a right click and then select quit Malwarebytes. Then click on the Windows security icon. And here you'll find virus and threat protection. Under virus and threat protections, you'll find manage settings. Just temporarily disable the real-time protection and then continue the setup. And once it has been done, then just simply turn this on again because this is a very important security for your Windows. Then in the Windows search bar, type here Explorer. Click on File Explorer. Double click on the Windows C drive, then look for the program files. And from here, we need to look for the Epic Games. So once you find the Epic Games right here, what you can do, just simply make a right click and then select delete. Or if you cannot find it here from the program files, go back to Windows C drive and then click on the program files x86. Then you can find the Epic Games right here. Make a right click and then select delete. So let's just wait for this. Now once done, close this, and then you have to continue with the Epic Games launcher setup. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.